good, BF fam? This is Big Tone coming at you from Big Tone Productions Beats and Feasts. Hey guys, today we're going to do a video that's been requested quite a few times. And you guys have seen me talk about and use the Steelmadeusa grill. And I've had a lot of questions on how to clean it. How quick and easy is it to clean? So that's exactly what I'm going to do today. So I'm going to go ahead and clean this grill for you. It's about a 2 to 5 minute clean, depending on how deep you want to get into it. This is a video for you, so if you like it, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video, and guys, make sure you watch it all the way to the end, because I got a surprise for you that has to deal with the Steelmadeusa grill. Let's get started. This is how I clean the grill. These are the things that I use to clean the grill. You can shortcut some of these, you can use less or more, it depends on how you want to clean it. But this is how I clean it. I have basically a griddle cleaner pad here. You can use a scouring pad that you buy at the store, but I bought this from Amazon, and it's got a handle that you can hold. Then I got one grill scraper, and I got a different type of grill scraper, which is basically a putty knife. So I got another one of those. Then I got some oil in a squeeze bottle. I got some water in a squeeze bottle and some paper towel. That's all I need. So let's go over to the grill and I'll show you how I do it. First things first, I turn on all the eyes. I turn on all 4 eyes to about a medium heat. Get the grill hot, and then I'm just gonna scrape the excess waste that's on the grill. So you can tell I've been using it. And if you guys haven't seen my last video on the grill, which is just a good old ribeye steak, go check it out. So I go ahead and scrape up all the excess stuff, and any grease goes down in the grease trap here. But I take off the excess there. The next thing that I do is I'm just gonna put some water on the grill. So to use my spray bottle, put a little water on it. There we go. And like I said, I bought this from Amazon, but you can just use a scouring pad, but I bought the little handle for it. So I'm just gonna scrape it. And I'm gonna put a little bit more water on it here. There we go. Really that quick, fast, and easy. I'm gonna go ahead and take some paper towel, fold it up here, wipe down the grill. At this point, you can go ahead and turn off the grill. Look at that. So that's the oil and the greases. Wipe it down a little bit more. And the last thing that we're gonna do is gonna get a little oil on it. And we're just gonna rub that in with some paper towel. Get all the edges there. Simple as that, guys. It's a 2 to 5 minute clean. Looks like a brand new grill with the nice patina on it. The more this thing cooks, or the more brown it gets, the more black it gets, the better it cooks. I can attest to that. So guys, make sure you go pick one of these up, and I'm gonna tell you how here in just a second. If you want one of these grills, all you have to do is click the first link in my description, and it'll take you right over to Steelmadeusa. and you can purchase one of these. If you enter in Big Tone at checkout, you will get a 10% off of this purchase. I am an affiliate, it does help me out. Now for the surprise. We're starting the new year with a banger. I'm almost at 5,000 subscribers, so I'm going to be doing a giveaway. Steelmade and Big Tone have teamed up to give away one of these Steelmade grills. So be on the lookout for videos. When I hit 5,000 subscribers, I will go ahead and do a random giveaway, and you'll see how to enter it in upcoming videos, so pay attention to them. Hey guys, if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share it. And hey, this is Big Tone signing off. Peace.